Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am in Adenta Frafraha and I am going to show you this amazing property. Now this is a 3-bedroom property that also comes with a boys' quarters as well. So I'm going to show you around this property. You guys will always want to see affordable homes. This is definitely affordable. As we enter into the main house, you open the door and then you're met by a really nice open space. This area is really welcoming. Straight away you'll see that you have your living space here. So we have already, this house is already furnished because someone actually lives here, okay? And so they have a really nice massive sofa, which doesn't feel like it's compromised the space in any sense at all. The space still feels really big and spacious. Also, they've been able to fit a work desk here as well without, again, compromising on space. We have a really nice dining area here. I love the way this house has been decorated, by the way. It's so classy, simple, and just straight to the point. I absolutely love it. So we've got some really nice table here, so you can sit down and have your meals, which is right next to the kitchen. So the kitchen is just behind me over here, so I'll just show you. As I said before, this house is actually lived in, okay? So as you can see, it's very homely. We have some lovely artwork here, you know, but you can also see what the kitchen looks like when it's empty. I'm going to show you that right now. Now there's also some storage space as well. So you know I love extra storage when it comes to a kitchen because it just enables you to hide things away that you don't necessarily always want to have out. As we head back outside, we're fortunate enough to have a downstairs guest bathroom as well, which means that as you have visitors, they don't have to go upstairs to use the bathroom. They're able to comfortably use it downstairs here. So I'm going to take you upstairs now. I'm so excited to show you guys what upstairs looks like. So let's go. So again, we've got a really nice bend on the stairs. I love that. It just adds that little extra character into the house. Okay, so this is one of the bedrooms, okay, and this bedroom is a children's bedroom, okay, or it's being used as a children's bedroom, but you can use it for anything you want. So we have a really nice wardrobe here. We have obviously the bed. We have some really nice big windows as well, so we get floods of light just coming in. It feels really nice in here actually. And the bedroom also comes with its own ensuite. Okay, so we have the shower, you have your wash basin, your toilet, everything in here. This is the second bedroom, okay? So right now, the owners of the house their children love to be together. So they have put a really big bed in here so all the children could kind of climb in together, which I think is really cute. My children would love that. They say they don't like to sleep in the same room, but they do really. Again, we have its own ensuite here, so we have a really nice space in here for the bathroom. So again, very welcoming. It's quite a nice big shower here actually. Now, I'm about to show you guys the master bedroom. I'm really excited to show you this. I love this room. I absolutely love this room because it feels so nice and spacious. I mean, just look at the size of this bed. It's absolutely massive and the room does not in any way feel small. It just feels so good. Again, we've got really nice big windows. So we've got lots of light coming in and we have a balcony area too. So if you want to wake up in the mornings and stand on the balcony, you can do. We also have the mosquito nets here too. So you can get a really nice breeze coming through as you sit in here without having to feel the effects of the mosquitoes, you know. So they have this really nice chair here, which is really lovely because you can actually just sit out here. If I fall, please don't laugh. Oh, okay, let me try and be graceful. But yeah, this is really nice. So you can literally just sit here in the mornings or in the evenings and just comfortably just read a book or just enjoy the sights and the sound. I love it, this is lovely. So over here, we have a really nice kind of like space. So this kind of feels like a walk-in wardrobe. You have like your wardrobe here, but I guess if you're buying one of these houses and you get there in time, you can actually speak to the developer and actually have a slightly different design if you want, okay? But this is really nice, this is a really nice area. Okay, so here we have an outside guest room. Okay, so you can use this if you have house helps, you can have them stay here, or you can have anybody stay here, really, anybody you want, anybody. Okay, so this is really nice. So you can see that it's enough space to have a bed. It has its own washroom. It has space for a wardrobe as well. So it's a really nice usable space, and obviously it's attached to the house, which makes it really, really nice, okay? This is the outside space that we have. So if you like planting or you like to have a lot of plants, you're free to do that here. You can plant whatever you want and make this a really nice, usable space. So, Trevor, nice to see you again.
Indeed, love to see you again, Della.
Yes,
really
thank you. So, you've brought me to this lovely, lovely, lovely house. So, I know the viewers are desperate to know, this house, how much is it going for?
It starts in a 165. We have 9 exclusive homes here. Quite a few's been sold so far, so you better hurry up.
Okay.
That you do want to get your hands onto. And yeah, from 165 onwards really. It depends what you want to do, and it depends on the process when you get here.
Right.
If you want to make things tailored to your own style, or whether you want a developer style to be something that you go ahead with.
Right,
so
yeah.
Over here, there's been a slight adjustments on a few of the features and so forth for the buyers that bought this place. It all depends.
Okay, I see. Because I did notice as I came in, there were some incomplete buildings here.
Sure.
So if you get in early, you're able to talk to the developer and make certain changes that you want.
Some certain changes to it. The sooner the better, rather than later on, because once it's gone past a certain stage, it's very difficult for the developer to then retrospectively alter things for your needs, which become more expensive.
Right, okay.
To be.
Yeah, I see. So how long would you say for those that don't know this area, because we're in Adenta Frafraha. Am I saying it right?
You are. Adenta Frafraha, correct.
Okay, right, okay. So say from the airport, how long would you say it takes to get here?
I have done it a couple of times from here, and in the evening times to get to the airport after 6:30, because the traffic is coming inwards, it normally takes about 30 minutes for you to drive from here to get to the airport.
Okay.
I know that in the mornings, everybody's going towards Accra, so that will take probably double the time or just under an hour or so to get over to the airport. But equally, in the evenings, very easy, very straightforward, because everybody's coming from Accra towards their homes, and you're going towards Accra, so straightforward and a very easy road.
Right. Okay, that makes sense. So this is, I guess it's far enough to say that you're a little bit out, but you're not too far from, because everybody likes to be right in the middle of central Accra, right?
They do.
So this is not so far out.
It's absolutely. This location is pretty much equidistant between Accra Central and Ebri. So if you like the climate of Ebri, you're literally about the same distance, about 20 minutes drive to get to Ebri. So you can get the nice climate, the nice weather, the nice eastern region, you know, scenario and the culture. Really, really nice over there. So that's something that's really good. You do also have some really good schools down here. You've got all the stores that you've been looking at. You've got Palace over in Medina. You've got Malcolm, a minute away from here. You've got some really good schools, like I mentioned earlier as well. So yeah.
Everything is here.
Everything is here. Security is really good.
Yes.
As well.
Yes.
And this is only 9 exclusive houses over here. Townhouses over here. So it's not overly populated. That you feel unsafe and unsecure. So it's really, really good.
I think the price point is also very, very good as well, because, like I said, the distance from, like, say, East Legon Cantonment, that kind of those very popular kind of areas, you're not so far out, but you're obviously getting good value for your money. So
definitely, I'll say to you, what you're getting starting at 165. That's $165,000 US. So you're buying something like this, and you're literally 30 minutes away from Central. It's amazing, and what you get for it is way good value. Hi,
Linda.
Hi, Della.
So you're the owner of this house, right? Nice taste for decoration, let me just say. I love it. I love the grey with the yellow. It's just so beautiful. Nice touch.
Thank you so much. We're getting there. Not yet complete, but...
Okay. So you've been living here for a little while now. How do you find living here? Do you feel safe in this area?
Definitely. We have security there 24/7, so we do feel safe. It's quiet.
Yeah.
Even though you feel like, because you're so close to the main road,
Yeah.
it's quite loud, but no, it's actually quite quiet. Yeah. So we're enjoying it, and the kids are enjoying it.
Yeah.
And for me, just being so close to school
Yeah. Yeah.
is amazing.
Yeah.
Because we were renting before, and where we were coming from wasn't far at all, to be honest. But with the traffic, you know,
Yeah.
it just doubles. in time.
Exactly.
So
Exactly.
when I saw this, I was like, we have to go and see it. So
And it worked for you,
works
right?
so well. So we're really happy.
So you've actually purchased this.
Yes.
What was the purchase process like?
Very smooth.
Oh, really? Okay.
Very, very.
Tell me,
quick.
because I really actually don't know. I've never bought a house, so I don't know.
It's different because, like in the UK, it's a longer process because of if you don't have cash. obviously,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
you
yeah.
go through the mortgage, and getting this approved and proof
Yeah.
income and things like that. But because it's cash,
Yeah.
then you can put your payment terms, whether it's paying installments over 3 months or so.
Yeah.
And obviously you have to pay before you move in. But you can stagger it if it helps.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
And I think that's where it makes the process quite quick. Although it's very draining.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah. Because, when you used to pay like a monthly.
Yeah, and then yeah. But once you've paid, so you're not stuck with like a 30-year mortgage,
Yes,
so you're
that's
done.
The benefits, and it's like
Yeah.
it's belongs to us now. So
Do you know what the longest you can stretch a payment for? Do you know?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
Actually.
I'll
have to
find
double
out for
check.
you guys. I'll find out and I'll let you guys know.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
awesome.
I'm not sure, but he's the person that owns the development. He's been very friendly and very helpful, so I'm sure if there's any issues,
Okay.
he's able to assist.
Nice. I know where you live, so I'm going to be coming to your house all the time. And the sofa's so comfy, so I'm going to be here like, hey, I'm here again, Okay guys, so now you have seen the house and you've heard all about it. If you guys are interested in this property, please do send me an email to naturalghanagirl@gmail.com and I will put you in touch with Trevor, and you can also speak to the developer if you'd like to. Okay, this house is honestly, it's so nice, it's so welcoming. As you can see for yourself, I really, really like this house. I think the price point is amazing. The location is amazing as well. I would say hurry up and get one. But anyway guys, if you haven't already subscribed, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button for me and the notification bell. Don't forget to also like, comment and share this video. Until next time, I am out. Untitled Frafraha.